1, 2, 3. Ready? Exercise number 35. May we have as soon as possible the cases of sun soap which you are making up especially for us. We wish to have this soap as soon as you can get it to us, as we are having a sale on the first of the month. Full stop. This is an item which we wish to emphasize, as we know it will sell readily. Full stop. The sun is supposed to sing a sweet song when it's dying. This is said to be the sweetest song it sings. And this is the story which has given us the famous sun song. Full stop. New York is the largest city in the United States of America. If you go to the top of any of the high towers of this city, you will have a view which takes in all the city as well as the suburbs for many miles beyond. Full stop. The monster ships which come to this city dot the bay. They unload huge cargoes on the docks and take away with them similar loads when they leave. Full stop. In this city, the business life of the United States reaches its high peak. Full stop. As we are going to the docks, we can look at the new vessel. Full stop. This is the swiftest as well as the largest of the steamers. Full stop. We may switch some of our business to the new firm, as they will give us value as well as service. Full stop. As we have seen in the past, a heavy pole usually sweeps many new officers into the different state offices. Full stop.